Hi. Have you ever thought about starting a side hustle as a personal chef? Or maybe you are a personal chef and you want to have a side hustle to supplement your income. Side hustles can be an incredible way to build your personal chef business, but they come with challenges. And so this video, I am going to break all of that down for you. I'm Chef Jessica Lipovich of Prosperous Personal Chefs. I have been a personal chef for 2.5 decades, and I mentor chefs to start and sustain a successful, prosperous personal chef business. If this is something that's interesting to you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn your notifications on so I can spread the word and you can hear when I share new training. Now, side hustles are sort of a clandestine topic, I feel, for personal chefs, and I want to break down the pros and cons. Some of you are using your personal chef business as a side hustle to supplement your corporate job as you are able to transition. And so those things, it can be a very useful tool to grow your business. But as you transition into the personal chef world, side hustles can also prevent you from growing your personal chef business to the level that you want it to be. So let's talk about how to use side hustles to your advantage, but not have them stop you from getting to the level of success that you've dreamed of. So let's be real. Extra money is always a plus. And so it's very appealing when we are offered things that are sort of kind of the shiny object or the fast money. It's very appealing to take those. So whether it's like a private dinner party or like a startup sometimes will offer you something to kind of get you involved. It's a chance to really meet new people and expand your network and grow your business. So you want to look at it as an opportunity, number one. A side hustle should not just be about the money. There should also be opportunity there. And so when I talk about getting clients, and if you look at my resources, especially my Offer and Visibility Masterclass, which is specifically teach you how to get clients and how to find clients and how to get out there and network and communicate with your clients so you never have to worry about ever again finding clients. When you take that and you see what I teach in there, I teach you are always going to be connecting with people. And so if you use your side hustles as an opportunity to connect with people, it actually becomes a marketing opportunity that you make money at. I mean, how great is that? And so utilize your side hustles as a marketing opportunity. Even dinner parties, pitch your offer, have an introductory offer to your services so people can learn about you. Make sure you are collecting people's names and emails who are interested in your services. So next time you have an offer, you can pitch to people who are interested in your services. So use side hustles as a way to not just make money, but to be able to network and refine your services, okay? They are not just about the money. This is what I want to stress in this training, because so many chefs go out there and they're just catching that next dinner party or catching that next event. And what happens is you end up on this treadmill of constantly hustling, and you work very hard and then you are playing catch up because whether you're tired or you don't have anything booked for the following week because you were focused on this event, that's when side hustles can become a drain. And so it's very important to utilize them in the right way and make sure that you are pitching your offers that you really want to do long term so you can connect with the clients that you're meant to work with. Because I fully believe that if you want to be a personal chef, there's clients out there who you're meant to help, who you're meant to serve. And by pitching your offers during these side hustles, they become networking opportunities, and that makes them such a bigger, more positive experience. Okay, so Side hustles also allow you to experiment in ways that personal chef clients don't. So, for example, my personal chef clients are very structured, they're very specific, they have their needs. But if I do a side hustle, for example, sometimes I will do a retreat, like a women's retreat where they maybe rent a home, they're there for a few days, and they need a chef to come there during that time. That's something that is a side hustle for me that is very rewarding, but it also allows me to be creative in a way that I don't normally get to do every day as a personal chef. So, side hustles can be a great way to explore your creativity. And they can also be a great way to create offers that draw in the right clients. And so, again, this is what I teach in my Offer and Visibility Masterclass. It's priced less than you would get from one day working as a personal chef. So if you are struggling to get clients or you don't understand how to do this business long term to get clients on a long term basis, I highly suggest you check out that class, okay? So let's talk about the not so fun part of side hustles. And that is balancing them, because really sometimes they can be a drain on our energy, a drain on our time. And if we already have full-time commitments or we have children or family that we're caring for, it can become something that's hard to manage. And so the key is really to be very intentional with your time with side hustles. You want to make sure they are aligned with your life and they fit well with your schedule. So for example, if you don't like to work evenings and weekends, dinner parties probably would not be a good side hustle for you. You could do something different. For example, you could do a 3-day detox. You could do demos at universities during the week, or you could work with wellness programs and corporations. There's different things that you could do. But what doing catering would not be for you if you don't want to do weekends and evenings. So, the key takeaway from this is that a good side hustle should really enhance your life and enhance your career and not burn you out. So that's where we get into trouble, is when the side hustle starts causing burnout. Okay, so that's something that you really want to be aware of as you are moving forward with your business. Okay, so your side hustle really should not be keeping you in a hobby mode in your business. That's very important. And some people, they get stuck in a side hustle and it leaves them small, okay? Your side hustle should be more of a marketing strategy, as I talked about in the beginning. So it complements your business, or it complements where you want to go in your business, okay? So we don't want burnout, we don't want exhaustion, we don't want just another responsibility that's adding to our life. We want a side hustle that really complements our life. And to be honest, that is why a lot of people do choose being a personal chef. And you have to understand, you have to be a personal chef the right way. You have to do it in a service-based industry where you are working one-on-one with your client. This allows you to cook in your home and deliver to your client if you need to. It allows you to be more flexible with your schedule. It allows you to really just be able to work with your client on what they need. So if you need support with that, reach out to me. My Prosperous Personal Chef Academy teaches you all of that, and I walk you through it. If you purchase the course, I hold your hand starting this business. I help you get clients, because really sometimes we need support, sometimes we need some direction. It can seem overwhelming, but it's not, okay? So having a plan will make your side hustle manageable and sustainable and be a complement to your career. If you feel that it's not doing that, if you feel it's draining you, it's time to pivot. It's time to take a look at how to do things differently. It's time to take a look at, firing clients or doing things that we have not been doing, even if they are hard. I can support you with that if you need it. But as always, use your side hustle to build a strong brand for yourself, because as we move into 2025 and beyond, if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to be a personal chef, if you want to be successful as a solopreneur, you have to have a brand. And a side hustle can be a powerful stepping stone for your brand, especially as a personal chef. It will help you bring in extra income. It will help you network. It will help you be more creative and take more creative opportunities. So if you have time in your schedule, a side hustle can be great. Just make sure it doesn't overtake things. The way to do this is to really be realistic and look at how much time do you actually realistically have to devote to a side hustle, and do not overcommit, okay? That's one thing I can tell you that will help. Do not overcommit. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, check out my resources. I have free resources, and I have resources for every level you are at in the personal chef business. And I'm here to help you every step of the way to build a sustainable, prosperous personal chef business. As always, be prosperous.